I'm doing a Knit Crate yarn giveaway if you'd like to participate in being a member with Knit Crate. It's 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. The link for Knit Crate is listed down below. To participate, just comment down below and be a subscriber. You can comment anything crochet related, perhaps what you are working on right now. This is the book that it came with. It includes that with the giveaway. I have also a Facebook group and page listed down below if you haven't joined that because it's new. I had to rejoin. It looks like there is really pretty patterns of socks, tops for knit and crochet. Really pretty. And a nice ledge beanie. And a tunic. Very pretty and summery. And socks. And another pair of socks that are crochet. These look really nice and cozy. Pretty. And sweater and a cowl. Okay, so that's what the book inside looks like for the patterns. I also have 2 books for sale on Amazon that's listed down below, and my Etsy store with products if you'd like to take a look. Here is the yarn, really pretty blue. 85% wool, 15% silk. Okay, so you get 2 of these with the giveaway. So please be a subscriber, comment down below. I'll do a random comment picker soon in a couple of weeks. Okay, so thank you for watching.